Welcome to the town at the center of European jobs, entrepreneurship, and innovation. Welcome to Makerstown.
Let's do something different, let's do something out of the box, let's do something that Brussels have never seen. If you go to Asia, if you go to North America, they envy us. And they envy us for the big brands we have, they envy us for the culture we have, they envy us for our lifestyle. And we wanted to do something about this. So that's the why behind our event, where we can represent where Europe is strong, where we can represent where Europe is still the leader and can still be the leader for the next 20 years.
Hello, my name is...
So it's really like an open source project, and you benefit from ideas from people in Canada and US and everywhere.
Definitely. And everybody is benefiting from everybody. You see? That's the concept of open source.
That we need your help. If you have good ideas what the Commission could do more in order to, for instance, create better internal market, or as part of the digital single market. If you have something in your mind, what is the regulation which should be harmonized? And if Europe can do anything for Europe in order to create better business environment, just let us know.
I have come to realize that in the globalizing world, which is changing very quickly, very rapidly, we should be innovative. This is why, even though it is painful a bit, I am trying to discover the charm of these people dealing with startup.
If something new comes and it disrupts the existing traditional sectors, the first initial response for the policymakers is to abolish it, ban it, not allow this disruption. But actually you have to have the mindset of creative destruction, that in order for the new to come, you have to let the old ones go.
What happens today is that actually that wall that was physical, that went into the digital, today what you see is that the digital is actually changing the physical. And so I think that you have the interdisciplinarity, but you also have the doers and the ones that are the thinkers. So the tinkerers, the ones that do, and the thinkers.
Making sure women have a job or start their idea. It's about our well-being as a whole, as a society, progressing, living better. If now we refer to a businessman as the norm, we rarely do refer to businesswomen as the norm. And this is why I like the word entrepreneur, because you rarely hear about male entrepreneurs, you more of the time we speak about female entrepreneurs. We should not divide them. They equally, both in the same amount, can contribute to the European economy.
You have the barometric height, so at least 3 devices that are connected in the flight controller, right?
So we believe that innovation today is about the user, and so the user is the one transforming the product, and the makers are part of that. And so these will work in a circle where you'll have the big companies, the small companies, the people working together to create new trends, new products, and I think that the makers are a big and crucial part of that puzzle, of that jigsaw.
Did you say cycle gesture 3?
Yes.
Okay.
So you can see all the parts are 3D printed.
Okay, all of them.
All of them, all the parts, and only the motors are not 3D printed. Even the gearings, everything is 3D printed.
I like the robot a lot. It looks pretty cool, and it shows you how much like the future is advancing, and its like movements and actions. It was pretty fascinating. It's a good time to advance right now, and I think I'm pretty excited for what the future has. So I'm excited to what it's going to improve later, and yeah, I think it's about time.
I find the application very useful. We should continue our efforts to promote young people, give funds, and all those kind of good stuff, because there are a lot of bright people in Europe, and it'd be great if they stay in Europe and they don't go abroad.
There are people doing things individually at home, but they are using the shared knowledge of all the people of the community. Yeah, there are individual developments, but finally they share with another people, and this is the main step in this third revolution.
I'm very happy to be here, a very unique moment to see these young, motivated people changing the world, merging the physical and the digital.
I'm really very happy being here among the friends and startuppers, and I believe that it has been not the last opportunity.
Believe more in ourselves, believe more in our potential and ideas that we have. And then we'll get to the point where we'll live even better in Europe, because we'll all share similar ideas and love for what we're doing. Thank you. Thank you very much.